I didn't believe the hype, but this pasta deserves it. Place a block of feta right in the center, cherry tomatoes on the sides, season everything with salt, pepper, also drizzle olive oil. Bake for about 30 minutes until tomatoes burst and feta gets soft. While it bakes, boil water into a pot. Add salt. Also the spaghettis. Cook according to the instructions, then strain it. When it's done, smash the tomatoes and creamy feta together. Add 1 chopped up garlic clove, also some fresh basil. Toss the pasta in the warm sauce. It'll become rich and cheesy. If you want more recipes that turn normal food into next level food, smash that like, hit subscribe, and comment what crazy fusion you want next. Making a creamy, rich vegan spaghetti carbonara with crispy sweet potato bacon. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook your spaghetti until al dente. Into a preheated pan pour olive oil. Add slice of sweet potatoes as bacon. Roast until become crispy and caramelized, then take them out. For the sauce, add pre-soaked cashew nuts into a blender. 1 cup plant milk, 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, salt, pepper. Then blend until smooth. Into a pan pour oil. Add chopped onions, garlic cloves, some chestnut mushrooms. Cover the pan to make the mushrooms soft. Uncover it and add cooked spaghettis. Add that sauce and keep mixing. Break those roasted sweet potato bacons into the pan. Serve the pasta in a bowl, and that's it. A creamy, smoky vegan carbonara that tastes amazing. Making a delicious spicy butter garlic shrimp pasta, loaded with juicy prawns and bold flavor. Start by boiling water into a pot. Add salt, olive oil, and spaghetti. Boil until it's al dente, then drain and set aside. In a pan, melt butter with a touch of olive oil. Add minced garlic, chopped onions, sauté just until fragrant. Sprinkle in your chili flakes, season with paprika, black pepper, and salt to taste. Add the shrimp to the pan. Cook until the shrimp turns pink and juicy. Now add your cooked pasta to the sauce, tossing it so every strand gets coated in the buttery spicy garlic goodness. Finish with fresh herbs for a pop of color and freshness. If this video was helpful and you liked it, please consider subscribing to my channel. Warm pasta coated in fresh basil pesto. It's fragrant, creamy, and easy enough for anyone. Take fresh basil leaves in a blender, toasted pine nuts, garlic cloves, grated Parmesan cheese, salt, olive oil. Blend until you get a smooth green pesto sauce. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the pasta, also cook until al dente. Take pasta water into a pan with pesto sauce. Add drained pasta, Parmesan. Toss to coat everything together. Plate your pesto pasta this way. If this video was helpful and you liked it, please consider subscribing to my channel.